So today I'm going to be talking about NutriCharge Man, and I see 90% of you all here are men. Yeah? Okay. So when we are talking about an ideal world, जब हम लोग खाने में से सब न्यूट्रिएंट्स मिल सकते हैं, वो आजकल नहीं हो रहे हैं. Do we know, जैसे ऑलरेडी मैडम रूबी ने बताया है, do we know from where our fruits and vegetables are coming? वो कहाँ से ट्रैवल होके आ रहे हैं? We don't know. कितना उसने ट्रैवल किया है, डिस्टेंस ट्रैवल किया है, कितने दिनों के बाद वो हमारे पास पहुँचा है, we really don't know. The other thing is कि fruits and vegetables are always coated with pesticides, wax coating करते हैं, उसमें injectables डालते हैं for it to ripen faster. ये सब चीज़ें हैं जो हमारे nutrition from the food उसको deplete करते हैं, उसको कम करते हैं. Now as a nutritionist, I get a lot of clients, male clients who come to me. Most of them will show at least 1 or 2 signs of some kind of deficiency. Simple things like lack of concentration, काम पे हम लोग ध्यान नहीं दे सकते हैं, lack of energy. Other thing is lethargy. You are feeling tired all the time. You may be tired at work. आप जब घर पे आते हो तो you are not able to spend time with your family, with your children. You know, you are so tired and exhausted. Most of the men who are coming at my clinic will come with at least 1 or 2 of these symptoms. Yeah. So here what happens is that supplementation becomes necessary. Now I gave NutriCharge Man. You'll have the product NutriCharge Man. I gave this to my clients. Whoever showed जो भी ये 1 या 2 symptoms दिखा रहे हैं उनको I gave this supplementation. They were told कि आपको एक tablet लेना है, preferably after breakfast. Normally you don't take these supplements on empty stomach. Preferably after breakfast लेना है. They were given this supplement, and you won't believe that at least not even a month's time. I'm giving you a month's time, but within 2 weeks, you will start seeing visible results. You will see that the जो भी है उन मेल्स है उनको they will start having a lot of energy. So energy enough कि आप सुबह भी उठो तो आपको you feel energized to go to work. Yes, you don't feel tired कि oh my god I have to go to work. You are feeling energized to do any kind of activity. जो भी ज़्यादा physical activity में involved है, whether it is exercise or any kind of activity जहाँ worker class people है who are doing any kind of physical activity, they are having a lot of energy. The other thing is that people, maybe the graying cannot reduce. जो सफ़ेद बाल है वो कम नहीं हो सकते हैं, but they will show slight reduction in the grayness of hair. They will show reduction in hair fall, which is one of the major concerns for most of the men. They will show a reduction in that. The complexion will glow, right? So all these things are brought to you because the supplement that is provided to you, NutriCharge Man, is having not only the essential vitamins and minerals, it's having the amino acids, but जो most of the supplements multivitamin mineral complexes में नहीं रहते हैं, they are having the botanicals. It is having lutein, lycopene, beta carotene, yeah, green tea extract. Now all this have antioxidant properties. They are good for providing you energy. They are good for keeping your brain active. Yeah, they are also very helpful in terms of the growth of your hair and for your skin. So all this combined together becomes very helpful. जब आप supplementation करते हैं तो उसके benefits definitely you will see within 10 to 15 days. Yeah.